videos. A lot of you have been requesting for a makeup tutorial video and I'm finally doing it today. So join me as I show you how I do my everyday makeup look. The first step, for me this is the most important step because before I do my makeup, I always do this. So whether I have a glam team or I'm just doing my makeup on my own, parate, hindi ito pwedeng mawala. So that is my cool towel. So you can use a cool towel or just ice and then you just put it on your face. For me, this is very important kasi iba yung kapit ng makeup ko every time I do this. I feel like it lasts longer. And it's like I'm prepping my skin before putting on my moisturizer and my makeup. So cold towel, just stab it there. And after cold towel, if you have ice globes, it's something like this. This is also nice. But if you don't have ice globes, okay din to use ice and then you put it lang on your face. This one is good though for depuffing. So, for example, I have morning shoots and kakagising ko lang. This is perfect because aalisan niya yung bloatness sa face ko, especially sa cheeks area. So, just do that under the eyes as well, especially kung kakagising mo lang. Just massage it. And then, cheeks. Side. So, for this step, you can take your time. Kasi I swear, it will make such a huge difference. Nice. Okay. So we are done with this. Let's start with the moisturizer. So any moisturizer is okay if you prefer using primer or maybe a sunblock, that's fine too. Just massage it, especially if you have dry skin. Like me, I have dry skin, so for me talaga moisturizer is a must. There. Going up, 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 up. Done. Also your neck. Okay, done with moisturizer. For the lips naman, lagyan natin siya ng lip balm. Okay, so while we are prepping our lips, let's start na with the makeup. So first, I like doing my blush on first. So usually, I like medyo peachy tones for my blush because I'm a morena girl. And for me, kapag morena, there's something about oranges or peach na shades na very bagay with that skin tone. So, there. Just put it here. So this look, I usually do this kapag wala akong glam team and then I have lunch with my friends or I'm gonna go out with them. Sometimes naman kapag, since we can't go out now, if I have Zoom meetings, I like fixing myself as well. For me, it keeps me sane every time I fix myself and may kanya-kanya tayong ways on how to cope up. And for me, I like fixing my hair, putting a little makeup, just to make me feel good. So there's nothing wrong with that. So I super love this blush one because, you see, parang nagkaroon ng buhay bigla yung face ko. And it's very pigmented. I just put little and then sobrang kitang-kita mo na siya. And then we're gonna layer one more blush after. So let's just let this settle muna. So after my blush, please excuse my brows. Sobrang mabuhok na because we are not allowed to go out and di din kami nagpapapunta anyone sa bahay. So hindi ako nakakapagpa-linis ng ng eyebrows ko. But usually for my eyebrows, I just do this part, like the end, because it's full naman. So I just have to fill this part a little and then that's it. Kasi for me, very important yung eyebrows. You can't put too much kasi if you put too much, pwede tumapang yung face mo. So you want to keep it as natural as possible. There. So I just put it here and then to make it more natural, just blend. Some people, they like to put eyebrow mascara, but for me, I like lang using eyebrow pencil because I feel like pag may eyebrow mascara, mas mukha kang made up. And we wanna achieve the natural look. So there. See the difference? Let's do the other side. And then extend it a little here. And then blend it. After eyebrows, let's move on. Let's do eyeshadow. Before, I don't usually do eyeshadow, but ever since I tried putting parang brown eyeshadow before curling my lashes, I always do that na kasi mas nabubuhay pala yung eyes. So any brown eyeshadow is okay. Sometimes the one you use for your contour, pwede mo rin gamitin for your eyeshadow. So you just need an eyeshadow brush and then just glide it on your eyelid. Super little lang. You don't want to put too much kasi everyday makeup look niya. Okay. Actually, di ko ang ginagawa ko eh. Again, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I just do this kapag wala talagang choice. Kasi usually if I go out of the country, dati may show doon, wala ka naman pwedeng isamang team mo. So wala kang choice kundi i-makeup yung sarili mo. Doon lang ako natuto. Sometimes pag di pantay, tapos si JV kasama, siya yung tatanungin ko, ano okay ba? And then papa-adjust na lang niya. So I like doing this kasi I have big eyes. And then, kapag dinedefine ko tong crease side, I feel like mas nabibilag yung eyes ko and I like that. So there, we are done with the eyeshadow. Let's add more pa. After the eyeshadow, we'll be using my Curlash naman. This is very important for me because I feel like every time I curl my lashes, parang made up ka na. Sometimes what I do pa, bina-blow dry ko yung Curlash ko before I curl it, but make sure lang na hindi siya super init kasi when I do that, I feel like mas naglalas yung pag-curl ng lashes ko kapag mainit. So you can try that as well, but just be very careful kasi mabilis siya uminit. So itapat mo lang siya sa blow dry for like 3 to 5 seconds and then pag kinurl mo siya, mas feeling mo mas mabilis siya mag-curl and it lasts longer. Okay, next. After the Curlash, let's put mascara. Just be patient because mascara is a must. I like putting mascara also for my lower lashes. So after that, let's do naman lower. Laking bagay if you do the lower lashes. And it's kind of tricky lang kapag sa lower. But don't worry kasi what's good about mascara is that kapag nag-dry na siya, you can remove all the lagpas easily. So, hayaan mo lang siya. Pag natuyo siya later, madali natin siya maalas. Parati yan nangyayari sa akin. Okay. Done with mascara. So, after curling our lashes, done with mascara, next thing that I love to do is adding a little brown here sa lower eye. dito, under the eye. So, you just need something like this, yung medyo flat. Or if you don't have a brush like this, you can use cotton buds. So, lagyan mo lang a little brown, and then you just glide it here. So, okay, we are done. Sometimes, if I want to look more made up, I also put brown here. So, hindi ako magaling mag-eyeliner. So, for me, that's the trick. I like using eyeshadow instead because I feel like mas control ko siya at saka mas friendly siya gamitin. So, you can give that a try too. It's just me. So, after the eyes, I want to add a little more brown. There. After that, we can add blush na. So, we put blush na kanina. This is my second layer. Also, peach tone. So, just do that. So as you noticed, I didn't use foundation or anything for my whole face because this is an everyday makeup look and I feel like mas nakakahinga yung skin ko kapag less creams, less layers yung ginawa ko for my face. So now, this is the first time we'll be using a powder. I have here a powder foundation na siya. So I just like putting a little sa forehead, little sa T-zone, and then just to brighten my eyes after we put the eyeshadow just under the eyes. That's it. Very little. And if you want naman, you can do it then all over your face, your option. Me lang kasi I like yung hindi masyadong makapal. There. Done with the powder. After powder, I like to put a little highlighter. I have this cute brush. And then just add here. Remember, here. And then here. Tapos dito. And tip of the nose. I like adding highlighter. 1, 2, 3. May sound. And then lastly, just lipstick. For me, I like using tints. So let's use that now. So I like putting it here. And then tsaka ko siya ititap. Para mas control ko. Okay, and then after the tint, we can add a little gloss. There. And then, you pray na siya. And then, ano pa bang hindi na-miss natin? I guess we are done! That's it! Wait, I wanna add pa a little sa under eye ko na powder. And we are done.